Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup using egg. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of water. Also, prepare some soy sauce, sesame oil, and chopped green onions for garnish. This classic dish is surprisingly easy to master, offering a delightful balance of flavors and textures. Let's get started on this comforting and quick recipe. To begin, pour 4 cups of your preferred chicken or vegetable broth into a medium-sized pot and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. While the broth heats, prepare your thickening agent. In a separate small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, whisking until completely smooth. This cornstarch slurry is crucial for achieving the perfect, slightly thickened texture that characterizes a great egg drop soup. Set it aside for now. Now for the signature egg ribbons. First, whisk 2 large eggs in a small bowl until they are just combined, but not frothy. Next, slowly pour the cornstarch slurry into your simmering broth, stirring continuously to ensure it thickens evenly. Once the broth is slightly thickened, slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the swirling hot broth in a thin, steady stream. Stir gently with a fork or chopsticks as you pour. The eggs will cook almost instantly, forming those lovely, delicate ribbons we all enjoy. To finish your delicious egg drop soup, season it to taste. Add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and a small dash of sesame oil for an authentic flavor profile. Stir everything together gently. Finally, incorporate some freshly chopped green onions, which add a wonderful freshness and a vibrant touch of color. Serve your comforting, homemade egg drop soup immediately while it's warm. It's perfect as a light meal or a delightful appetizer. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.